Good morning, guys. It's Monday. Off to work we go. I'm just wearing a white t-shirt from Zara. Meron actually tong ganun, guys. Oh, pag ganyan. Tapos, tinanggal ko kanina kasi parang very loose na siya. Parang nagiging bacon na yung ano ko dun. So, tinanggal ko siya kanina. And I have a cardigan underneath and then a coat. Kasi yung coat, tatanggalin ko to kapag nasa work na ako. And, nagdala ako ng bagong lip tint. Kasi, hindi ko mahanap-hanap sa bag ko yung ito. Dito lang pala sa car. Tapos dito din sa car, itong isang lip tint. Oh, I think I don't like this one, babe. The pink puff. Ito yung matagal na sa akin. KJM Cosmetics, guys. Hindi ko siya bet kasi, ano, ang tsaka na ng lasa niya. And wala naman tong lasa. So, feeling ko, ano siya, expired na siya. So, this needs to be thrown away, babe. So, lagay natin siya dyan. Basura ikaw. Pero, I have been trying lip tints lately, guys, kasi gusto ko gumawa ng video na ano, like ano yung best lip tint. So, nagamit na natin to kahapon. Now, ito gamitin natin. Yung Paris Ink Velvet, yung from Peripera. This one is in the shade Celeb Deep Rose. Kailangan ko i-keep yung packaging kasi yung ito itself, wala siyang shade. And I've heard a lot of good things about this Peripera. Ito pala, itatry ko sa glasses ko ngayon. This is to clean your glasses, babe. It's like a small tool to clean your glasses. Wala si Dan, guys. Wala siya sa mood. He's tired. My hubby is tired. So, ito, ano siya, guys? Hindi nyo ito makita. Basta, dusty. So, ganun siya, guys. Linisin siya. Nakalinis siya. Ang problema dito is, hala, madumi nga. Problema dito is, wala siyang refill. Ito lang. Hindi ko alam kung mahugasan mo to. Nakakalinis na siya. Ay, bongga. Hindi nga lang nalilinis yung dito sa pailalim kasi hindi niya abot. Yeah, so kailangan ko pa rin gamitin yung ano ko, cloth. Pero in fairness, nalinis niya naman. Ay, babe, I can see you now. Clearly.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good, but it doesn't reach the edges. Or no, the inner corners.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because it's a bit big, but it's fine. It does the job. And this was really, really cheap, I think. Yes style ko na nakuha, guys. Yes style. And my lip tints as well. Yes style din to galing. So, ito yes style. Ito yes style din. Lagay natin yung lip tint natin, bench. Balik natin siya sa ano niya kasi. Ay, ito yung pigmented. Na-swatch ko na to nung nag-haul ako eh. Wait, yung sipon ko eh. Tumutulo. And sobrang dali lang din niya i-apply. Like, kahit nga nag-move kami ng konti. Dali lang siya i-apply. Yung beep ng beep ikaw. Yung car, guys, kapag lumalagpas ka sa linya sa gitna, nagbi-beep siya para alam mo ba na uy, nasa kabilang lane ka na. It's very, very pigmented, babe. Naalala ko sa lahat ng sinwatch ko sa kamay ko when I did the haul, ito yung pinaka nag-tint talaga. Kahit na pinunasan ko na siya ng wet wipe, ito talaga yung nagstay. So, tingnan natin siya, guys, mamaya. In fairness naman sa kanya, very pigmented siya. And hindi ko na binalik yung ano ha, yung applicator. Isa lang, tapos winipe ko pa yung applicator before ko siya nilagay sa lips ko. And ganyan siya, guys. Yeah. It's very pigmented. Hindi din siya mabigat sa lips. Kakarating lang namin, guys, ng bahay. Ipiprepare ko yung ingredients para sa adobo. Kasi magluluto kami ng chicken adobo. And I think Dan will do the cooking as well. Kasi para alam niya paano lutuin yung chicken adobo. Kasi gusto niya yung chicken adobo. And para sa akin, sobrang dali lang niya lutuin. And para kapag gusto namin mag-chicken adobo, tapos hindi ko bet magluto. Si Dan magluluto. Kasi every time tinatanong niya ako, anong ulam natin? Sabi ko, ikaw kaya minsan magluto. Kasi minsan pagod na ako ba? Pero sabi niya, sus ko, marunong lang ako. Ako talaga, ganun-ganun siya. So, ngayon, siya gagawa nito. Meron akong dalawang chicken thigh at saka drumstick. Pero kailangan ko lang siyang i-cut, guys. So, 4 na pieces yan. And then we have, I think, 4 drumsticks. Okay. Unahin muna natin yung veggie. So, lalagyan ko to ng kamatis itong ating adobo. And then, kailangan natin ng garlic at saka onion. Konti na lang yung garlic namin. Asan na yung lista natin? Lista natin. Yung chicken natin, guys, ilagyan ko lang siya ng konting soy sauce. Tapos, lalagyan ko din siya ng pepper. Sana minamarinate to eh. Kaya lang kaninang umaga, frozen pa yung chicken. So, hindi ko siya na-marinate. Pero, yeah. Usually, kapag minamarinate ko siya, nilalagyan ko lang siya ng, ito, soy sauce. Minsan, ito, garlic, at saka pepper. Pero, yeah. You ready, babe?
Yeah.
Yeah. Usually, I marinate this, but it was frozen this morning, so I didn't. But this is what you do, babe. You put soy sauce and then pepper. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Who will be cooking today?
Me.
You.
Alright, let's get it going.
Okay.
What do I do?
Oil first, babe.
Good walk.
It is a good walk. We got that from House Outlet, guys. Naka-sale yan. Okay, next is... So, guys, we have garlic, onion, at saka tomato. Or kamatis. Hindi ko to lalagyan kasi ng vinegar. Or hindi niya lalagyan to ng vinegar.
Garlic. Okay. I should be using the metal things on here. Might just use...
Here, oh.
I like this one. It feels strong.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No, I think that's a good wok for adobo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks good.
And then once you smell the garlic, babe, you start adding the onion.
I can smell the garlic.
Okay, add the onion now. So that's what you do all the time. If you have onion and garlic, you put the onion first while the oil is not too hot. So don't wait for the oil to be too hot. And then once the onion is translucent, you can start adding the chicken.
Okay.
Or you can add all the chicken.
Have you put sugar in it or not yet?
Later.
Later. Alright, so now put chicken in?
Yep. Oh, no, tomato. Sorry.
Tomato already?
Yeah.
Okay. Easy.
Is it?
Easy. Easy.
You don't even know what to do.
Easy. It's tasty actually.
Is it?
Easy, easy.
So you just wait for that. Just saute the tomato until it's like cooked. Because I don't want the tomato to look like that. I want the tomato to like kind of, I don't know. Basta.
So when it looks like this, you can add chicken.
Like that.
Add the chicken?
Yep. Huy, lift your because there's soy sauce in there. Not add the soy sauce yet, but just add the chicken.
Yeah.
What's yeah?
This is how you do it. This is my famous adobo recipe, which I taught you.
You taught me.
Yep. It's a lot of chicken.
It is a lot of chicken. It's actually not that much.
Can I pour this in?
Sure.
Done.
I know what you do
it.
it. Just let it sit for a bit.
Okay.
Yeah. What do you think about the Filipino adobo?
No, it's good to be Australian adobo.
You don't have Australian adobo.
Yeah.
No, you don't.
We do. We use kangaroo. We do.
Kangaroo adobo.
2 cups of rice and 2.5 cups of water.
Good job.
Please don't beat me.
I taught you well. Good job. Ang galing na niya guys, magsaing ng rice. Tinuruan ko siya. Kasi yung iba, 'di ba, pag ganun, hindi ako marunong ng ganun eh. Sikat marunong ganun yung sa kanya. Ako baso lang talaga yung akin cups. Kapag 2 cups, 2.5. Yeah, not too big. And perfect na yung rice na yun, guys. Perfect. So, kumusta na yung ating adobo? Looking good. This is looking good, guys. Look at that sauce. Yummers. Okay, babe. Next step. Oh, over. Water. Hello, buang. That one.
And it's already prepared.
Not all of it, babe. Not all of it yet. Okay, maybe enough for now. Yeah, that should be enough for now. Yep. Yan. And then you simmer it, babe. No, actually you wait. No, you wait for it to boil.
Yeah.
And then simmer it under low heat.
Alright.
Okay? Covered as well.
Cover.
So you gotta, yeah. So now it's boiling. It's boiling now, babe.
Good to cover it?
Low heat first. Lowest, yep. Good. And then cover it, yeah. So that should be it, yeah, the biggest one. Perfect! High five!
Perfect lid for it.
It is perfect.
For that?
No?
Wow.
It didn't come with a lid, but yeah. Oh, beautiful. Nice. So simmer mo siya for how many minutes do you think?
20.
Yeah, or maybe
15 to 20.
Or until the meat is like breaking off. Remember my adobo that the meat is like breaking off and it's so good and so tender and so yummy.
Who's a better cook, me or you?
Me.
Who's a better driver?
Me?
Who's winning?
Me?
Who's the loser?
You? Just kidding.
For me.
How's your adobo going?
Good.
What's the update?
Simmer.
Why?
It's simmering. This is hot.
How many minutes do you think?
It's gonna probably be another 8 to 10 minutes.
8 to 10 minutes, very specific. 8 to 10 minutes.
We want the chicken to brown up a bit.
Okay. Alright. And how about the rice?
Rice is cooked.
Yes. There you go, people. Guys, nakapag-skincare na ako while hinihintay natin na maluto. And i-wrap ko din yung present ni Maddie kasi bukas na namin isa-celebrate yung birthday niya. Punta kami sa bahay nila for dinner bukas.
Yeah, but did we want to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I showed you guys these already. Pero ipakita ko sa inyo ulit. Ang cute nito. So babe, I'm keeping one because this other one doesn't really have like a bow chain to it.
Do you really need to keep it?
I wanna keep it. Gusto ko to dalhin sa work, guys. Ang cute kasi. Squishy. See? Squishy. I'm pretty sure meron ako mga squishy eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung nasaan yun. Malalaki pa naman yun. Ito. I think ito free lang to guys. Hindi ko to binayaran. Pero the big one. Nung pinakita ko to sa inyo, wala siyang wrapper. Pero kasama actually yung wrapper sa ano niya guys, sa package. So, nirap ko na siya. That's the Katie Bakery by Bunny's Cafe. This is the Kumatan egg. Kumatan egg? Tama ba yung pag-pronounce ko? And ang laki niya guys. Anong sobrang cute niya. As in. So yan. Ito kasi kinakaadika ng batang yun eh. And then, ito din. Yung uni whale. So whale siya instead of like horse. So uni whale. Tapos meron siyang horn. Meron din siyang sarili niyang packaging. So, yung ibibigay namin kay Maddie is, I kinda wanna keep this as well. Mas squishy kasi to kaysa sa isa. No, okay lang. Ibigay din namin to kay Maddie. Yan. Ano din siya guys, burger. Yung in-order ko actually originally is fries. Kaya lang naubusan sila ng fries. Kaya pinalitan nila yung order ko ng burger. At saka binigyan nila ako ng free kasi wala yung original order ko. But that's fine. Did you know that, babe?
Yeah.
What did I say?
I got no idea.
Nga nga. No, I said that I ordered the fries originally. Remember when we were choosing, we chose the fries? They ran out of the fries, so they gave me the burger. And because they ran out of the fries, they gave me this as a free gift.
Ah.
Yeah, how good is that? This is a bit tricky to wrap because you will know that this is a squishy. And scented pa yung mga squishies, guys. As in, ang cute. Ito yung wrapper na gagamitin natin. Ito. This one. Yung adobo natin, ha? Mister. So you're giving them port power beanies as well. Are you gonna wrap those, or what are you doing with a beanie?
You'll wrap it tomorrow, maybe.
So wrap it separately?
Yeah.
So you don't have the beanie yet?
Not yet.
Bibigyan niya ng beanie yung mga bata kasi sasama sila sa footy, guys. This coming Saturday, right?
Sunday.
Oh, Sunday. Will Robbie play, babe?
Maybe.
Looks like he's okay. I saw the Instagram. Alam niyo ba, guys, yung Instagram ko, ang dami ng mga tao na hindi ko kilala. Yun pala si Dan yung pina-follow ko. Sino, guys? Ano yan? Old captain or old coach ng ano? Sabi ko, pati yung coach, nung unang coach pa talaga, pina-follow mo talaga, ikaw na talaga. So, ang dami doon na parang nasushook ako minsan sa story ba. Sabi ko, sino ba to? Uy! Siya pa yung gumagamit na Instagram ko, guys, kaysa ako. Wala akong time sa mga ganyan eh. Oh, Maddie will love this, babe. She will love this. Sana wala pa siyang squishy, no? Kasi last time kami nagkita was, I think 2 weeks ago. Family dinner. Yung squishy niya, cake siya, guys. Tapos, sira-sira na yung cake niya. Kasi lagi niya talagang dinadala sa school. Kung saan-saan siya pumupunta. Family dinner, dinadala niya yung squishy niya. Kumusta na yung adobo natin dun? Baka wala na yung sabaw, babe. Our adobo, babe. Can you check if we still have water in our adobo? Please?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, all good. Ayan, guys. Squishy. Ang sarap i-squish. Okay. Yan, tapos na yan. Ready na yan para kay Maddie bukas. Yung beanie na lang bukas na natin irarap. Kasi bibilin pa niya bukas. Adobo update.
Looking good.
Looking good?
Looking good, babe.
Yeah. Do you want to taste it, babe? And see if you need to add like sugar or
Sure.
pepper, salt. Taste it and then you decide.
Oh. Let me just try and dip all this first. A bit of water? Or taste
It's up to you. It's up to you. Yeah. This is your
So
adobo.
just take some meat out, that's when you taste it.
No sauce.
Sauce.
Careful, huh? It's hot. Try.
I think it's good.
Yeah?
Have a taste.
Okay. Yeah, it's good.
It's good.
Yum. Good job, babe.
Thank you.
Good job. So what do you think? Do you think we need to add sugar or anything like that?
No.
No?
Perfect.
Is it? So what are we waiting for now?
Let's get a bit more.
Okay.
Let's get a bit more.
Okay. Rice is ready.
Rice is ready.
So maybe how many minutes more? I'm starving.
Yeah, 5.
5 minutes? Okay.
Yeah, 5.
Is it done?
It's finished. I'll do yours. Which ones do you like?
I want the thigh part, so I'll take
This?
2 of the thighs.
Get on the drumsticks, do you?
Nope, I don't like the drumsticks.
Get on the drumsticks. What else have we got?
I can take
Wings?
sure. I want the smallest wing. That one. I want that one.
That's the one I wanted too.
Okay, looking good,
What are you
guys.
going for lunch tomorrow? Which one are you going to have for lunch? Which are you
Thigh.
These?
Yep.
I'll just take that one.
Okay.
Is that alright?
Yep.
Alright. Dun-dun-dun.
Adobo's looking good, guys. Hala, babe, look. Kino-compare nila yung straightener, guys, ng Vidal Sassoon at saka GHD. That's so expensive. Look at that, babe. $500 for that. Remington, that's what I have. $19. How's your adobo?
Good.
Is it? Can you cook adobo now? What do you think?
I could actually.
You can?
Yeah.
Good job! Okay, try natin, guys. Hindi ko pa siya na-try with rice and hindi ko pa na-try yung meat niya. Chicken is cooked perfectly, babe.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, good job. At least now you can cook adobo. That's yum, babe.
That's good.
Good job, babe.
Adobo's always good.
Yeah, adobo's always good. So now it's good that we both know how to cook it. Guys, katapos ko lang mag-edit ng vlog. And, yeah. Pagod na ako. Matutulog na ako, guys. Wala pa actually yung 10. 9:52 pa lang. But maaga kasi yung pasok ko bukas. So, matutulog na ako. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know kung ano yung next time gusto nyo lutuin na dan. What do you wanna cook next time, babe? Don't pretend that you didn't hear me.
I didn't.
Yes, you did. You don't have headphones on the other side. Wala kang headphones dito. What do you wanna cook next time?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs.
Buang. Okay, guys. Good night. Be good. Bye, babe. Be good. Bye, guys. Mwah.